Dear ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you at Rosoboronexport booth at Interpolitex 2022. Our company provides its customers with a wide range of military, double-purpose and non-lethal assets. My name is Vladislav Alonsov, and today I would like to draw your attention to the Russian security systems novelties. Russian manufacturers produce all the range of small arms, starting with the pistols, ending up with grenade launchers. If we're talking about the pistols and the submachine guns, we should mention that for the law enforcer, it is very important to have a lightweight, compact, powerful, and the weapon that could meet the requirements of the concealed wearing. That's why the pistols that are represented at our stand today, such as SR1M, meet all those requirements. The SR1M can reach the targets and pierce the second class of the body armor at the distances of 50 meters and uses the 9x21 special cartridges. The same cartridges are being used by SR2M, which is a submachine gun. This submachine gun is much more powerful than SR1M and can shoot and pierce the second class of the body armor at the distances of up to 200 meters. If we're talking about an alternative for SR2M, which is also represented at our booth today, we should mention the P2000. This submachine gun uses the well-known 9x19mm cartridges and can shoot at the same distances of up to 200 meters. It has the Picatinny rails for the additional assets to be pre-installed on it. On a daily basis, the law enforcer has to come up with different tasks. That's why it needs a really multi-use weapon, such as the legendary AK assault rifle. We have the 4 models represented at our booth today in 4 different calibers. All the AK assault rifles save their legendary reliability, their high accuracy, and meet all the requirements standing in front of the law enforcers. If we're talking about the special operations, we should mention the ASM, which is a special assault rifle. The modernized one, which uses the 9x39mm caliber cartridges and shoots with the possibility of piercing the armor of second class at the distances of 400 meters. For the law enforcers that have to come up with the above and under the water surface tasks, we should mention the ADS, which is an amphibious 545mm assault rifle. It uses the usual magazines for the AK assault rifle, but only with one simple action, and by changing the ammo for the PSP cartridges, it changes to the underwater mode, being able to shoot 30 meters under the water. But during the operations, when you need the maximum firepower with a stopping capacity, the Shock 12 complex takes its part. This complex uses different ammo, 12.7x55 caliber, with the opportunity of automatic shooting and reaching the targets on the distances of up to 300 meters, with an opportunity also to shoot flameless and silently. We're glad to draw your attention to the Russian-made sniper rifles. And we're able to cover all the possible distances, starting with the 400 meters with the VSSM sniper rifle. Due to the integrated silencer, it has a silent, flameless shooting at the distances of 400 meters. If there isn't a possibility or a necessity to shoot at the distances of up to 1,000 meters and reach the target, the MC116M will take its part. But if there is a necessity for our customer to have a multi-caliber weapon that can be produced in most of the modern popular calibers, the F-17 or the T-5000 is the perfect choice. Those sniper rifles have an accuracy of 0.5 more and are able to reach the targets from 800 meters to 1.5 kilometers depending on the caliber chosen. If we're talking about the counter-sniper sniper rifle or the large caliber one, we have today presented on our booth the brand new Orsis 12.7mm sniper rifle. It can be produced in two different calibers, the 50 BMG and the 12 by 7 by 108 millimeters Russian caliber. This sniper rifle is highly precise. It has an accuracy of less than 0.5 MOA with the opportunity to shoot beyond 2,000 meters. It has a magazine for 5 cartridges and can be customized for each customer personally. It can include in the sniper complex the new Dedal Smart Scope, which has an automatic calculator of the ballistic net and the user interface. Ending up the small arms line, we should mention, of course, the grenade launchers, which law enforcers do not exclude from using in the daily basis. The 6G30 is the magazine grenade launcher, which can be charged with 6 40mm grenades, both lethal and non-lethal capacity. It can shoot on the distances of 400 meters, one by one. Another example is the GM94, which is also a magazine grenade launcher which shoots the 43mm grenades at the distances of 500 meters. It can include up to 4 grenades in its magazine, with one in the barrel. And ending up the grenade launchers line, we should of course mention the legendary, the lightest in the world, the most compact in the world, automated grenade launcher. It automatically shoots with a 30mm grenades at the distances of 2.1 kilometer. And with the modern optics, this will be targeted fire. If we're mentioning the highly precise shooting, especially on the long distances and during the night, we of course should use the special optics. Our manufacturers produce the full range of the night thermal scopes, night vision optics, the red dot ones, starting with the night vision goggles, ending up the thermal clip-ons. Same with an amphibious thermal scopes and the daylight, of course. And today, on our booth, we have the brand new product, which is a wide range night goggles. They can show you the night sphere from the angle of 100 degrees on the horizontal axis. They can assure you with a 12-hour in a row working on one battery pack. They are lightweight. They weigh less than a kilo on the law enforcement's helmet. And they can operate from -40 to +50 degrees. But again, they're wide angle, so they enable you driving the vehicle or the motorboat during the night without any additional lighting. The safety and ensuring the life and the health of the law enforcement is one of the highest priorities for Russian manufacturers on the defense field. That's why we provide our customers with a full range of all possible individual body armor assets, starting with the splitter-proof gambesons, continue with the anti-vandal costumes and shields, moving forward to modular, tactical and assault body vests and the complexes with the helmets, the splitter-proof helmets, the bulletproof helmets, the bulletproof glasses and windows, together with bulletproof shields. All of the examples of produced Russian individual body armor are presented on our booth today, on the right. And of course, we have a novelty on the market, which is the CIBA 10 or Kiba 10. It's a complex of individual body armor which can be handled on the backpack on your back, and by the time it is necessary, it can be automatically discharged and placed as the third class body armor vest on your chest and on your back. It includes the concealed carrying, because there are some regions with the climate when there is no opportunity of wearing jacket, for example, and it will perfectly fit such place. For the law enforcers, due to the large amount of free space in the backpack, there is also an opportunity for any additional asset to be placed in it apart from the chest. Apart from small arms, we provide our customers with the non-lethal assets, such as the barrelless pistol OSA, which can shoot several different non-lethal ammo, such as traumatic, non-lethal ones, the signal cartridges, and, for example, the blinding lights cartridges. On the basis of OSA, the Legion multipurpose shield was created. It enables shooting 3 times more ammo and have a protection of the law enforcer with a shield. You can choose within 3 rows of the non-lethal cartridges and shoot with only one simple button with one hand. We also have a wide range of electric shocking devices, such as buttons with the cartridges for distant action, the taser, such as IRM 140, and moreover the Scala electric shock shield. All the mentioned above devices from the electric shockers, they're all 100 non-lethal. The electric shield called Scala can be used as a passive protection or as an active electric shocking protection, and it can be produced with a cover from the firing liquids to prevent the law enforcer from burning. On a daily basis, the law enforcement come up with the tasks to detect the forbidden liquids, the explosives, or any other forbidden materials in the crowded spaces, such as exhibition, airports, train stations, or the critical objects. That's why we provide our customers with the smallest ones, starting from the ChemExpert T, the gas analyzer, ending up with the large inspection units such as ST2630M, which is a mobile inspection unit which can detect the forbidden assets in the cargo, in ports, in the airports, in the train stations, etc. They are all highly qualified. And today, on this exhibition of Interpolitex 2022, we demonstrate to you the novelty on the market of the detection devices called Segment Gas Analyzer. It solves one of the most important problems on the market, which is the cost and efficiency of the samples. One sample of the competitor device might cost from $1 to $10 per one detection. The segment analyzer can use the same sampler for more than 10,000 operations, which is simply being put inside, and through the control unit, through the notebook, for example, on the operator station, you will find out which particular material or forbidden element has been detected by the segment detector. Dear ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention. If you have any questions left, please follow to our reception desk at the booth and we will be glad to answer them. See you next time.